Go on. Yeah.
All right, time to wash the car over here at Delta Sonic, Buffalo, New York. You know how we do. Let's go Bills. They're doing some construction over here. At least it's still open. You dig? At the car wash. At the car wash, baby. Detailing. Can't afford to get my car detailed. They do the oil change over there, but I'm gonna go to my dealer for that. I go to the Unlimited. I pay like, well, it just went up. It used to be like $21 a month. Now it went up to like $30 or some shit for unlimited car wash. I come every week. Fill up the gas tank because I get discounts because I'm a member here. And I, wash my car, try to keep up with it. They got unlimited, and they offer unlimited interior too, but I just do the inside myself, once in a while, maybe like once a month. They got the beautiful neon lights, you dig? At the car wash. Oh, I just came from the gym, got my dirty towel sitting there. Got my little lunch box, my other gym bag. Went grocery shopping, you dig? We out here, bruh. Yo, bro, we out here. All I want to say is that RAV4 don't really care about us. Oh, well, my dash looking dusty on the camera, though. Oh, that's not cool, pa. Oh, that's not cool, pa. All right, I'm gonna shut up.
Jewelry will buy your gold. 2. And ask about their leasing program. No credit check approval in store on the spot. And watch this. Now through September 15th, no money down when you go through the leasing program. Apply for the Coliseum finance option. Approval up to $5,000. Rolex watches, diamond. Up to 30% off on gold. Diamonds up to 50% off. Coliseum Jewelry, upper level gallery mall next to Old Navy.
Oh, you see that little thing flapping in the front? Yeah, that thing's been broken for a long time. See? They call me Young Flap.